Hi, my name is Chris Black. I'm here at the Vizrt booth at IBC 2016. I'm here with Alex Mikola from NVIDIA. Thank you for coming to see us, and thank you for all of your support with all of our customers and all of our graphic systems around the world.
Thank you, Chris. It's great to be here. We'd love to support Vizrt.
Well, NVIDIA is one of our most important partners for all of our global customers. Every graphic that you see that's coming out of our Viz engine, here all over the booth, this giant video wall here, it's all being done with NVIDIA. How important is the broadcast industry to NVIDIA?
So NVIDIA is a large company. We're about $5 billion, 10,000 people, and half of that comes from the games industry, which is where we're most well known. But actually, a quarter of our business comes from professional visualization. And of that, the second largest industry that we address is broadcast and film, so the media and entertainment industry. So it's very important to us. And if you look at a show like IBC, this year there are over 65 different partners, all showing their software running on NVIDIA's hardware or using NVIDIA's technologies to make their products better.
So you've worked very closely with our R&D as well, kind of shaping a little bit how we build our systems and how you design your systems. How has the collaboration with Vizrt helped you shape NVIDIA's graphics technology?
Yeah, absolutely. So for many, many years, NVIDIA and Vizrt have been working very closely together, and your engineers are very closely related to our engineers. They work very closely on new projects. Product managers are talking about features and functions that will happen years from now to make sure that we are well aligned in the products that we can bring out together. A good example of this is a couple of years, actually 5 or 6 years ago, Vizrt came to NVIDIA and said, we want to be able to get really low latency for virtual sets. So we worked closely with Vizrt to create an API which allowed any software vendor to be able to take our GPUs, connect it to an SDI card, and get really low latency for virtual sets for live broadcast graphics. And that really wouldn't have happened without the partnership that we have with Vizrt.
So what new can we see coming from your GPU technology?
So NVIDIA is without a doubt the largest company that is doing visual computing in the world. We have huge investments in terms of patents and technologies that we've created over the years. You can expect a new GPU architecture every 18 to 24 months. Tends to be about an R&D development cost of about $1 billion every generation. There's a new generation coming out about now called Pascal, which you'll start to see on the professional side of our business. But I think there are 3 big technology game changers that are happening right now that I think will impact what we're doing with Vizrt, and I know that talking to your teams that they will over time. The first one is virtual reality. So of course we've been working with you on VR and AR and in sets like this for many, many years, but now is the time when VR has started to become a consumer commodity kind of product. People are starting to take it out and use it in the consumer business. So we're seeing the investments we're making to make that gaming experience for consumers with VR and heads-mounted displays really, really good. Some of those technologies I think we'll start to see in the pro space. The second big technology game changer I see right now is the use of GPUs for ray trace rendering. So this is producing the most realistic photoreal images of content that is digitally created that looks real, and being able to do it in the most quick, in the fastest amount of time possible. So I see that second area of technology really starting to impact on our joint business. And the third one is artificial intelligence. And people say artificial intelligence, that's the future, it's not now. But you only have to look at Google or Facebook or even using Siri on your mobile phone. All of those technologies are artificial intelligence running on GPUs in the cloud somewhere. And deep learning, which is the process by which intelligence is taught to computers, is a business area that will impact every single industry, and it is something that NVIDIA is very, very invested in. In fact, all of the major players that are doing work in this space today, from researchers to big companies like Google and Facebook through to startups, are all doing this with NVIDIA's technology. And I know that within Vizrt there are already lots of areas of potential collaboration that we're looking at where artificial intelligence can be used using our GPUs to make the process of creating content faster, quicker, better, more real.
Wow, fantastic. That sounds pretty amazing. Well, thank you very much for coming to the booth, and thank you for supporting us for all these years. We really look forward to our partnership growing together.
Thank you very much, Chris. Thank you.